Hello guys, enthusiast about cars? Then you're at the right place. Without any dramabazi, we'll start our video. Welcome to our channel, it's the Piston Rings.
Change the station with the new shit. Change the station.
So today we have the Hyundai Verna 1.6D SX optional. So the headlights and the fog lamps are a complete halogen projector setup, and we have daytime running lights too. This is how the engine roars. So this is the third generation of Verna in India. Though the three generations were very successful in Indian market and given a very tough competition to Honda City. Well, the City has commenced its sales from 1998 and the Verna came into India from 1999. The both cars are getting positive responses from the Indian customers and are satisfying their needs too. So this car has 4-cylinder inline 4-valve engine which produces 126 bhp and 260 Nm of torque. It has a 1582cc engine. According to ARAI, the company claims 24.75 km per liter, and in the real time we can expect 18 to 20 in the city and 20 to 22 in the highways. The company offers vanity mirrors on the sun visors. So the tail lamps are a complete LED setup. This one is a forward wheel driven and has a 6-speed manual gearbox with a turbocharged variable geometry engine. Coming to safety and security, we have 6 airbags offered by the company, and we have an engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door locks, child safety locks as well. Coming to the wheels of the car, this variant is offered by an 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. So this variant is offered with an sunroof too. It is not a panoramic, but it is a standard sunroof. So this is going to be the side look of the car, and now we will go inside the car and see what are the comforts that are offered and what are the features that are offered in the car. So this is the instrument cluster of the car. It has a trip meter. It shows the average fuel consumption, average speed, distance covered, digital clock, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, gear indicator, shift indicator, and a analog tachometer. These are the steering mount controls. We can see that there is a voice command option and volume adjustables. We can take and decline calls, and in the right side we have cruise control settings. This is how the driver's side cabin looks like. Now we will see how's the cabin from the inside. So that was the infotainment system, and these are the AC vents. This is an auto dimmed inside rear view mirror. These are the sun visors, sun blinds, and here we have a sunglass holder, and there are 2 light placements in the front side, and yeah, these are so this is the sunroof. This is the instrument cluster of the car. It has a touchscreen display and offers Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, integrated music system with 6 speakers, It has a USB and aux compatibility with Bluetooth. Now we will play a song and listen to the audio system. This is the wireless charging port offered in this variant. These are the controls for power windows and outside rear view mirrors. We can adjust them from the inside, which are electrically adjustable. We have child locks too, and we can see by pressing the button how these electrically adjustable rear view mirrors work. So we can adjust the steering for two ways, up and down. This is how the rear camera works. So it has an adaptive guidelines which changes and gives us a correct guidelines while we are about to park or we are in the reverse gear. Now we will get to the back side and see how is it. So I'm almost 5'11", so you can see me. There is a good amount of under thigh support, but the knee space is quite low as compared to City. So the front seat is adjusted to according to my height, and you can see how is it. So this is the back side. We have a center armrest, and the cabin is not much spacious. We have two AC rear vents and one power outlet. So the City seemed more spacious than this. Now we will see how's the boot of the car. So this is the full-fledged boot of the car. It has a 465 liters of boot carrying capacity. Well, the City had a bigger boot having 510 liters. This car was offered in 7 color variants. We will see what are all the colors that were offered. Starry Night, Titan Grey, Alpha Blue, Typhoon Silver, Phantom Black, Polar White, Fairy Red. This was it for today's video. Verna has launched a new facelifted version having a BS6 compliant engine, which will be available for customers from this year. Caution: this video was recorded before the lockdown commenced in India. Because of some technical issues, we are not able to upload the driving part of the car. In the coming videos, we will make sure that we will upload it with the driving part also. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, you know what to do. Do share, like and subscribe to our Piston Rings.